Church Bell Mission, VASEL 382. Success is yours. TNPSC, UPSC, bank exam. English part paper translation. முந்தைய பகுதியை அன்னை தெரசா என்று கொடுத்ததை இப்போது ஆங்கிலத்தில் அதே கதையை, அதே கட்டுரையை ஆங்கிலத்தில் டிரான்ஸ்லேட் பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு எளிதில் விளங்குவதற்காக இதனை தந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறோம். கவனமுடன் பாருங்கள். தமிழில் உள்ளதை பிரிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணும்போது இதையும் அந்த டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் சைடில் நாங்கள் கொடுத்திருப்போம். நீங்கள் அதை ஆங்கிலத்தில் உள்ளதையும் நீங்கள் பிரிண்ட் அவுட் செய்து கொள்ளுங்கள். This is for particularly translation. As it is, the question will come only in Tamil as for Annai Teresa. But in order to learn the correct words of English, grammar and other correct spelling, something like that, you will learn only through this passage. It is given in English. Mother Teresa, 382. Okay, now I will start the essay in English version. Mother Teresa came to India from abroad and worked for the upliftment of Indian people. A mind that sees the poverty of the Indian people and their ill health exposes her distress. She focused on improving the lives of the poor in India. She spent her whole life for it. Her social philanthropy was one of the most outstanding, calling herself an Indian woman till the end. Born on 27 August 1910 in Yugoslavia, Teresa came to India in order to preaching Christianity. Teresa was moved by the poverty of the Indian people and decided to do charity for them. Although she started her life and career as a teacher in the city of Kolkata, India, she also started doing social work. When she lived in the city of Kolkata, the scene that she had seen and that melted her heart. When she saw the poor and the sick people everywhere, she wanted to give charity to the poor and needy people. Some Hindus in India opposed Teresa, who belonged to Christianity. A priest in a Kali temple dared to kill Mother Teresa, but he became a servant of Mother Teresa after realizing her social charity. A man needs food, clothing and shelter. Further, he needs good health. Realizing this, Mother Teresa started medical services for the poor and needy people who were suffering from the disease. She carried lepers in her two arms, but for those who were hating to touch and go near, she decided to relieve the suffering of the poor people living in the slums. For that, she started a voluntary service charity center and took care of all the people. She felt all of them her own children. She approached and appealed to the wealthy people to help the poor. Although many initially despised her, they eventually understood her charity work and helped her materially. With the intention of helping the poor people, she never got married till the end and lived as a sister for social service. She got the support from some other Reverend sisters and did the service involved by mother to the poor and the sick. Teresa passed away in 1998. She had lived for others as long as she could live on the earth, but her name remains in the heart and mind of the Indian people. Mother Teresa, who had entered India coming from a far distance, thousands of miles away, and she had only worked for the welfare of the people of another country, or that our country, India, till her last days. In order to honor the saintly sister, Mother Teresa was awarded with India's highest award of Bharat Ratna. Dear students, just read the passage. You would understand how the passage was translated from Tamil to English. You have to see, first of all, 381 in Tamil version, then come to this point of 382. We will give you the English version in the description side. You can print it out, both 381 and 82. Thank you.